Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo A7 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Let's tap on them. Here we have to scroll and find the security and scroll down to find unknown source installations. So here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the app and find the app and tap on the switcher next to it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, and you have to be aware because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developers, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So simply tap on allow to confirm, and as you can see, the Chrome in my case is now allowed to install something. Of course, it works the same with all other apps, and you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the switcher again, and from now on the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.